Hello, welcome to our geometry videos. Finishing up Unit 2 here, getting down towards the end here. We're in problem 115 now. So you find the area of this trapezoid. What strategies did you use? I'm going to show you a couple strategies for finding the area of this trapezoid. The first strategy involves just using the formula. So the formula for the area of the trapezoid is 1/2 the sum of the bases times the height. Base 1 here is 12. Base 2 is not 18. Be careful, it's actually 18 plus this 5 over here. So the second base here is actually 23. And then the height, well, we don't know the height, right? It's this dashed line, whatever it is. The height is not this slant one, it's 13. The height is this vertical one here. So we have to find the other leg of that triangle. To do that, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So we know this is 13, we know this is 5. Let's call this x. So 5 squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. So 25 plus x squared equals 169. We subtract 25 from both sides, and we get x squared equals 144, so x equals 12. Now, the more we see of these, we start to recognize these called Pythagorean triples, and that they're right triangles in which lengths that we see very often. Because not only do they create a right triangle, but all their multiples create a right triangle. And 5, 12, 13 is a very common Pythagorean triple. So, in the future, maybe when we see a right triangle in which one leg is 5 and the other leg is 13, we can use that idea of the Pythagorean triple to just recognize that other leg is going to be 12. That leg of 12 ends up being our height of the trapezoid. So let's add these together. 12 plus 18 plus 5, well 18 plus 5 is 23, so 12 plus 23 is 35 times 12. So 1/2 times 35 times 12 is really like 35 times 6. Plug in our calculator, you get 210. So the area of this trapezoid, according to the equation, is 210. Okay, let's see if there's another way we can find the area of this trapezoid, because maybe we didn't know the equation. Right? Maybe we blanked out, left our toolkit somewhere. I'm going to draw another altitude here between these two parallel sides. And so what I've done is dissect this trapezoid into 3 separate sections. A triangle over here, rectangle in the middle, there's actually a square in the middle, and then this other triangle here. So let's figure out the area of section 1. It's a triangle, so it's 1/2 base times height. 1/2 times the base is 5, and the height is 12. 1/2 times 5 times 12 is the same as 5 times 6, which is 30. 60. So let's hold on to that and put it off to the side, because we're going to add it into these other two. The area of section 2, well, this is a rectangle, the 12 by 12 rectangle, which actually makes it a square. So the area is just 12 by 12, which is 144. Again, so put that off to the side. Our little math shelf there, and so we can grab it for later. And the third one here is also a triangle, a rectangle, so 1/2 base times height. Let's get the easy part first here, which is the height, which is 12. So we have 1/2 times 12. Now the base, it isn't 18, right? 18 is whole section. We just want this part right here. So this whole thing is 18, and this part is 12 with a square, so this part down here is 12 as well, which means the part hanging over here is 6. So our area of the triangle is 1/2 times 6 times 12, or in other words, 6 times 6, which is 36. So let's take all our things off the shelf and put them together. So now we got 144 plus 36 plus 30. Let's see what we got. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 210. And that's what we got before. Awesome. checks out. So we can either use the formula for a trapezoid, or we can chop it up and dissect it into pieces that we can then add together. Any questions about either of those methods, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, as always, you can like, subscribe, or share to our videos.